even the coconut has chocolate chips on the outside of it or something.
Are you filming or mom eating?
Yeah. So make it good.
Oh, she's filming you talking and eating at the same time.
Why are you filming?
So I don't have to go. I don't know. I can edit. Okay, we're gonna get Grandma present in the pink bag.
So after she plays ball, do you go home and watch it right away usually?
Yeah. I do. Because when I'm with you, I don't.
Ooh!
I don't see how she hit or what she hit. I just know she hit. You know, so I really have no idea how far she hit it. A lot of times when after I pitch, I go to get the bat. So I don't even, you know.
Ooh.
Wow.
From me and Jaden.
Oh, look at those aqua faces.
Goodness.
From me and Jaden.
Wow, now this one's in color too. Cool.
From me and
We'll
Jaden.
make some tea in that tonight or today.
Wow.
Who's got the sunglasses on there?
Yeah, who's that dude with the glasses?
Jaden.
How can you tell it's
The sun
Jade?
was, the sun was in his eyes, so that's how I know.
Very cool. That's a perfect present. Mm-mm-mm. Thank you so much.
We want to eat that?
Is
It's
it-
so good.
All right, next one, Taylor, for my drink.
You can come in the card first.
Wow. Do I need my glasses on?
Yeah.
Put something in
Where's your
your
glasses?
You can borrow mine.
I
In
got
my
that.
purse. I could.
I don't know how well.
I'll give them to
Well, there's also a pair on the counter. If you can't find them in there.
Just get the pair on the counter. I can find those easier.
Yeah,
Right there. You can see them, Taylor, right there. That's them.
not at the moment. Jay went and got them for me the other day so I could read books.
What's it say?
Oh, you got ice cream on your hand, babe. Find it? I always knew you'd be the best grandma ever. After all, you've always been the best mom a girl could ask for.
The best grandma ever.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to the best mom and grandma ever.
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
So that sounds like a license plate for
That's
you.
Sasha and Taylor.
Tony,
Oh, Tony.
Tony.
your names are not in here because this is from mommy.
Okay, so you're gonna get down this
Daddy.
You're gonna lift it up with two hands.
Daddy,
No,
grab
no,
it,
no,
no,
no, no. This, no.
no.
No. This way. This is the way you need to carry it.
Why?
And these go this way.
Okay.
So drop it.
I won't. Even a big one.
Hang on, wait for Papa.
All right.
Grandpa,
What?
come.
Wait for Papa.
You get a briefcase?
Put your glasses back on.
I think that's to carry my
Here I come.
computer around. I don't know when I'm gonna.
Here I-
Look it.
What's your birthday?
When's my
That's a
birthday?
beautiful bag.
Oh, I
August.
already got the new computer.
Oh, but he's waiting for it to be.
Jay, come here.
All right,
Wait. Jay.
what are we waiting for?
Jay, come here. I'll let Papa to read it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh no! Oh my god!
What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
TBA.
What does that mean?
This is basketball
I don't
player.
know if that's joy or Don't worry about how many kisses you'll have to kiss
Taylor,
after.
Taylor, I got something for you too, remember?
Yeah.
Jay, come here, I got something for you.
What?
Jay, come here. Come here. Got something for you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what?
She doesn't know.
Do they not know?
No.
No, because
They would
yeah,
tell
like
you.
Taylor would really not know, like not be able to say.
TBA.
Look, read Jaden's shirt. Taylor, read Jaden's shirt.
Big bro.
You know what bro means?
Bro.
Bro means brother.
Brother.
But
Big
he's a little brother.
Huh?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Think about it.
I don't know.
Explain it to him.
Jaden's gonna be a big brother.
You're pregnant?
You know that word?
Yeah. You gonna be pregnant? Ow. Yeah, Jaden's
my
the
gosh.
little brother.
Yeah?
For a little bit longer.
Yeah, you're gonna have a baby.
Oh my gosh.
In a long time.
In about a year.
You're gonna have a baby.
Look, Jay.
Big sis.
Really, you're gonna be the middle brother.
Oh my gosh.
Middle something.
I'm the biggest sister.
Yeah, you'll be the biggest one, all right? You'll have to take care of that one, little
Look
baby.
at a ladybug in there. Oh my gosh.
I can't believe Mommy's pregnant. And Mommy's gonna have a baby. What is this cloud? Yay!
There, you can have your Samantha, but I don't think it'll be named that.
That's Grandma's garden. It's got
Well,
three
good. I was
flowers
wondering.
in it.
I was thinking that was a little
I made this one.
not obvious enough, but it was.
Yay, Mommy!
Well, the
It's gonna be
TBA.
a girl or
That was
boy.
kind of the giveaway.
It's gonna
Didn't say
be a girl or
TBD.
boy.
Yeah, to be determined.
So
To
to
be announced.
be announced.
I was thinking of clever ways to say it, and
TBA
I was thinking of saying coming soon
to a theater near
To
you.
a-
To a
the house
family near you.
to near you.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Can't
pretty-
believe
so
it.
what do you know?
Not much.
Nothing.
All
Yeah,
I
how
know.
confident are you? Enough to
Have to make a
enough to make this and buy shirts?
How did you get a baby?
That we'll talk about later.
On vacation.
What?
I said they always happen on vacation.
Oh. No, it's I realized that calculations are different than I thought. So they add 2 weeks onto whatever it really is.
Right.
So technically it's only 3 weeks, but if you add 2 weeks, then how they calculate it, it's 5 weeks.
That's pretty new news.
Yeah.
8 months.
So it's like January.
Cool. February, March.
I did a little thing online, and it said January something.
Few days.
Yeah.
Need some help? Help? Or you're okay?
I'll be the biggest sister of all.
Yes.
Wow.
That's a pretty surprising Mother's Day present.
Are you eating
That's
my
pretty cool.
ice cream?
No, I don't think she's eating your ice cream, dude.
Eh.
Yours is in a bowl.
You wanna stand up and show your shirts to the camera? Right there. Stand like right between Grandma and Papa, because that's where it is.
Me too?
Yeah.
Eh.
Okay, show it to the camera. No.
Oh,
Oh, it's like a protective
Yeah, that's
covering
great.
thing that.
all right.
Take a picture.
Oh, you want a real picture? Okay, I'll take a real
Let's
picture
take a
too.
real picture too.
Ready?
I can't smile.
How about you do this like
I'm in
Jay?
shock.
No,
Here.
that's the same one.
Here. Nice picture, Jay.
Sorry.
Hey, stop.
You guys are being silly.
Nice picture, guys.
Too late.
There we go, that's a nice picture.
Nice picture. Nice picture, Dave.
Yeah, right.
Too much sugar.
Oh, knocked out the butterfly.
What happened?
Maybe.
Oh, the
maybe they need
butterfly
a
came
little-
off the side.
Let me fix it.
Well,
That's why you were at Michael's.
I use glue dots. I haven't used them
Ah,
before.
okay.
So they should, cause I was thinking how to get wood to apply.
Wood
And
glue?
No, but I didn't,
Careful, no, don't break it, dude.
down.
Alright, better put that up high somewhere. Okay.
Yeah,
Hey,
stop.
Jay, you can give Grandma give Grandma this bag over here.
Mommy, can believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Oh, it's kind of heavy.
Believe
Wow.
it. I can't
Oops, a
believe
card.
it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Yeah, sugar is kicking in for you.
I love you.
Yeah, no more cake or ice cream for you.
At least until dinner.
Let us move on. Fast, fast, move slow.
So what have we got here?
There's a computer bag.
Looks like a computer.
Is there a computer inside it?
No, we got the computer earlier when the old one died.
And then it didn't fit in the new one doesn't fit in the bag that we have.
Yeah,
Oh.
because the new one's a 17-inch